The idea of this studio was that it genuinely needs to be a very comfortable space, and not just for us, for even the people working in the studio. And it's a studio, it's not an office. It's like a intimate, relaxed space. It's a compact space, and it's a bomb. We churn a lot of work out of this bomb. We need to blend boundaries. We need to have an open office. We need to be able to have fluidity in the way people are moving in the office. They are interacting. They are turning around. We kept it fairly neutral. We did not give it a very strong, distinct character. We wanted the neutrality because we wanted people to be able to appropriate it in different ways. So it's evolved. It's got 2 pods, and it's a basement. We have a limitation of natural light, so we have a magnet light point there, and we have a magnet light point here. There is a formal part, the conference room, and it has its very signature curtain fold glazing kind of a thing. So it creates this nice prism.
Design per se, is a field which inherently is very collaborative, and it needs to have a collective effort. So having a team member, not just Rudraksh but other team members as well, to have a different point of view is very rewarding for the project.
So I can tell you about her strength, and that is something that I will always let her take a lead on. Priyanka is objective. If she needs to do something and she needs to do it to perfection, she'll do it to perfection without thinking about how many hours are going into it, how many people are involved in that project, what is the kind of money we are making on the project.
There's definitely a lot of interaction, a lot of to and fro of ideas on specific project as well. So that's our working relation more or less like.
It's all about comfort. And how do you develop comfort? You develop comfort with friends. You develop comfort with colleagues you're fond of. So I need to be able to make a place where people are going to be fond of each other. So it's going to be very emotional rather than very clinically, classically beautiful. At 42 The moment you are going to get in, we will push you. We will give you your own work. You will have to understand the structuring of the company and then have to develop your own way of working within it.
Even a fresher, we consider them that they've spent 5 years in college. You're expected to know all aspects of architecture, and even in our office, trainees are not just given work to just detail out a toilet or doing rendering. You are exposed to all aspects of building construction. They are even part of the design team as well.
I was looking for job opportunities in Delhi per se, and I heard about this studio and I came to give an interview. And my boss said, you need to come here, spend a day to understand what the office works like, and you have to understand the magnum opus of this office. And I was like, okay, it doesn't look like that right now, but then I came. I spent a day and now I know what he means. I mean, it was crazy. It is a bomb, like he says.
So it's a studio, it's just like a college. It's not an office at all. So that is the most wonderful thing. Everybody is saying it's atmosphere. So everybody says that in the college, the golden days are in college. So we are actually living our golden days again over here.
When we talk about 42mm architecture and we think of it as a brain, I would say Rudraksh is the left part of the brain and Priyanka ma'am is the right part of this brain.
I would say the opportunities and the kind of projects that we are doing, especially as a fresher, you get the opportunity to work on every aspect of any project that you are working, and that kind of liberty you don't get in every studio out there.
I like the studio because of the people, because with no people there's no studio. It's just a big room with chairs and computer.
I would not give the per square feet area per person, like a 10 on 10, because it is compact and it's loaded. It kind of balances itself out on the emotional and the more interactive aspect of the studio. Yeah, so we don't have the biggest tables, but I think we have more connectivity between people.